Hey guys, what is up? I hope all of you guys are doing good. For me, it is just a pretty relaxed Saturday morning. I spent last night watching some basketball. DeMarcus Cousins made his NBA re-debut with the Warriors and he looked freaking amazing, besides the fact that he fouled out in like 15 minutes. But that is going to be insane. And for you guys that are basketball fans, I don't understand the people that say, oh, the regular season's boring. We already know the Warriors are gonna win. What's the point? This season, we have had James Harden go on a historic run, scoring 40 points over and over and over and over again for the past month and a half. We've had DeMarcus Cousins join the Warriors. We've had the Celtics getting fights every 10 seconds. We've had the Sacramento Kings all of a sudden become not terrible. I mean, I love the NBA, and this season has been one of the most entertaining in recent memory. But that being said, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to hit that like button if you haven't already. If you enjoy the content, turn on those post notifications and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, because I'm posting new content. I don't want to say every day, but basically almost every day. We're going to New York on Wednesday, so the next few days I'm just going to be preparing for that, which I am very excited for, because as we all know, I love New York. But I want to get over to Livestock and I want to go over to Foot Locker today, and I know we go there all the time, but I'm in search of one particular pair of shoes that released this morning that I really want to take a look at and explain why Jordans are just never ever ever going to sell out again unless it's a super hyped up or super classic colorway. At least in Canada. I don't know about the States, but this is 100% true in Canada. It is another beautiful day of negative 30 Celsius outside. It's been almost a week straight of this every single day. And I mean, there's a little bit of reprieve tomorrow. It's only supposed to be negative 20 Celsius outside. I cannot wait until we get to New York. It's gonna be like 6-7 degrees. I'm so excited for that. Anyway, Livestock's right there. I don't actually know if they got these shoes, but I think they did. Let's go check. All right, so they didn't actually end up getting these ones. I think it was a Foot Locker only release in Winnipeg, but no matter, they still have a bunch of dope shoes sitting here. So let's take a quick look at them. I mean, they still have one pair of these sitting here. I think it's a size 10.5. So if you guys want to pick these up, these are amazing. I bought these on release day on Thursday. You guys should definitely come grab these. I mean, for retail price, if you're in Winnipeg, come pick these up. These things are sick. Another really dope thing that they have is this OG classic vintage blazer pack. I didn't even know these existed, but these things are amazing. Like, check these out. White and red, white and blue, white and green. I might have to go for these white and reds. You know what? I'm trying on a pair of Pumas. I might have to try these on as well. I'm not sure what the retail price is on these. These are really nice. All right, so here they are. We're gonna try these guys on. This is the only color they had left in a size 12. Check that out. The Nike sign is cracked on the back. It comes in the OG vintage looking box. These are really, really sick. Great design by Nike. I honestly didn't know these existed until I saw them right now. Apparently there's a big marketing release for these and all the blogs pick them up. I'm honestly not sure how I missed these, but these are awesome. Whew. And I just noticed the best part. Check out that retail price, 135 Canadian. I think I'm gonna have to pick these up, even though I didn't even know these existed until 10 minutes ago when I walked in the store. Can't pass these up. These are awesome. So that was a little bit of an unexpected pickup. Realistically, did I need to buy them? Not at all, but are they sick? 100%. And I just checked on StockX and all the colorways are selling for above retail. So apparently this was actually a hyped up release that I've never heard of, and seeing them, I mean, they're dope. We'll take a better look at them later. Next, we need to hit up Foot Locker. All right, so here is what I came to check out, the Jordan 4 lasers. Now, this is something I feel like if these released 3 years ago, they would have sold out right away. It's a black 4 gum bottom, this crazy laser etching all over with that little hit of red on the flight. I'm gonna try these on and check them out because I actually really do like them. The one thing I'm not liking, and that I'll talk about a little bit more in a bit, is the $265 Canadian price tag. That is a lot of money, but let's throw these on feet, see what they look like, because who knows, I mean, maybe they're just an amazing pair of shoes on feet. Whew. Okay, here they are, and they look really, really nice. I mean, I have 4s that I like better. I have the black cement or bread 4s, whatever you guys want to call those. I have the white cement 4s as well. These are pretty fresh though. You know what? I don't think these are gonna sell out. If these are still sitting here when I'm back from New York in around a week and a half, 2 weeks, then I'll pick them up. Just, I can't justify buying 2 pairs of shoes today, especially at this $265 price tag. And let's talk about that. $265 for a Jordan, plus 13% sales tax. Now, last year it was $255, and in Canada they did a $10 price hike. And you might be saying, oh, Tom, it's only $10 when you're paying that much. Does it really matter? Fiscally, not really. It's, you know, a $10 plus tax difference, but the perception is the problem here. And I think Jordan Brand may have hit a point of no one buying Jordans, because with a $255 price tag, it's $289 after tax. With a $265 price tag, you hit that magical $300 mark on a pair of Jordan Retros. And it's the perception of I'm paying $200 something versus $300. It is that number ticking over, and it's proven by any sort of buying psychologist. Any marketing professor will tell you that that makes a big and significant difference. The difference between spending $299 and $300 is significant and real. And you want to say it doesn't make a difference to your purchasing habits, but it does make a difference to your purchasing habits. I don't know. I just think $265, that's that price point where I don't want to buy a pair of shoes unless it's the Bread 4s, unless it's the Playoff 12s are apparently coming out this year. I'd buy those two for $265, but besides those very classic and very sought after Jordan releases, no way I'm spending $265 on a so-so pair of shoes like those Laser 4s. After years of trying, we have finally hit a momentous occasion in my sneaker collection. These got sold today, which put us down to 248 sneakers, and then, I bought another pair of sneakers today, which keeps us at 249. So for the first time in well over a year and a half, maybe even 2 years, my sneaker collection is back under 250 pairs. Now that is still 195 pairs more than I would like to own. I want to have my collection down to 55 pairs. Slowly but surely we are making progress. Not much progress, but these are sold. These are a size 13. They were too big for me. I don't know why I bought them. I'm a size 12 and these things fit like boats. So as a result, never ever wore them. Sold them for more than what I paid. It's a happy day in the Stefanik household. As a result, we are under 250 pairs of shoes. That is so absurd to say I own 250 pairs of shoes. That is too many shoes. The pair of sneakers we did buy today though, so these retail for $135 Canadian. After tax, they were roughly around $156, I believe. I'd have to check my credit card to see how much they actually were, but I think they were $156, and they're selling on StockX in a size 12 for $202 Canadian. So they're going for, significantly over retail price point, and I really do like these. I don't know how I'd never heard of these before, and they're just sitting there. These are just a well done pair of shoes. Look at these, the white, the blue, the really nappy suede on the toe. A couple things I would have liked to see on this, since they were going for the vintage look. I know, very minor nitpicks, is to have vintage paper. I thought that would be really cool if it was yellowed paper, and then to have the midsole a little bit yellowed and looking dirty on the bottom. Now that's just me personally. I know that's a very minor nitpick on this pair of shoes, and overall it is still a great pair of shoes. But just some things I think that could have made it better. The leather quality is amazing. The materials, just overall, the suede is good, the leather is good, even the foam that they used on the tongue seems to be good. The nylon is good. Everything they did on this pair of shoes is really good. If you guys weren't able to get these and want me to pick up a pair for you, I'm feeling in a good mood. I'm just happy that I figured out that these exist. I'll go pick up a pair for you. If you want these are a size 12. I can go get you another size 12. Because to be honest, I should look out for you guys as much as possible, because you do support the channel, and I do really appreciate that. So let me know what you think of these shoes down in the comment section below. I think these are very nice. Really like how they look, and I can't wait to rock these, maybe even in New York. Wow, I'm in New York in like 3 days. I'm so freaking excited. I love that city. I know I say it all the time. Oh, it's Teddy makes fun of me for talking about New York all the time on Twitter, and at this point I do it almost just so he can continue to make fun of me, because I enjoy it. I'm just feeling in a great mood. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend whenever you may be watching this. If it's on Sunday, good luck to whatever football team you're supporting, unless it's the Kansas City Chiefs. I have no stake in football at all. I don't care, but I love seeing greatness. I love seeing dynasties, so fingers crossed that the Patriots continue their run of 18 years. I know that's probably the most unpopular sports opinion I can have, and everyone's gonna hate on me, but you cannot hate on greatness. I just love seeing the Warriors dynasty, the Brady dynasty. I love seeing the Browns be bad for 3 years. I love seeing the Cleveland Cavaliers lose 28 games in a row. I love streaks. I love greatness, and the opposite of greatness, just absolute mediocrity. That's what I enjoy in sports. That being said, hopefully you guys don't get too mad at me for hoping the Patriots win. Love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. So until then, peace.